Today we're diving into SuperWhisper, an AI dictation tool specifically designed for Mac users. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's explore its features and see if it's worth your time and money. SuperWhisper is marketed as an AI-powered dictation tool that aims to streamline the process of converting speech into text. At first glance, the interface is clean and user-friendly, which is a big plus for those who may not be tech-savvy. You simply hit record, speak, and watch as your words are transcribed in real time. The tool also offers features like customizable vocabulary, which can be particularly helpful for professionals in specialized fields. However, while the core functionality is impressive, I noticed that some users may find the accuracy varies depending on accents and background noise, which could be a deal breaker for some. It's clearly targeted at writers, students, and professionals who need a reliable dictation solution. But there are still some unclear aspects, like how well it integrates with other apps, or if there's any offline functionality. These are important points that potential users might want clarity on before committing. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, SuperWhisper offers a sleek design and straightforward user experience. Its real-time transcription is quite impressive, especially for those who need to capture ideas quickly. However, there are some downsides. The accuracy issues I mentioned earlier can be frustrating, particularly in noisy environments. Plus, I found that the lack of detailed integration options with other software could limit its utility for some users. Pricing is another factor to consider. While it's not the most expensive tool out there, those on a tight budget might find it a bit steep, especially if they're unsure about its performance. Overall, while it could be a great fit for some, others may want to explore alternatives that offer more clarity on features and capabilities. So, who should consider SuperWhisper? If you're a Mac user looking for a straightforward dictation tool and don't mind a few quirks, it might be worth trying out. However, if accuracy and integration are top priorities for you, it could be wise to look at other options. Overall, it has potential, but it's not without its flaws.